Toronto Star. The only star you need. Toronto Star's location is right here. Under this big red point, Toronto Star provides 5 different regions: Toronto, York, Durham, Peel and Hamilton. Stating the obvious, Toronto Star's main region is Toronto. The income is categorized into 3 different sections: weekday, Saturday and Sunday. Now we got the location done, let's move on to the genders. 49% of the newspaper are bought from women and 51% of the newspaper are bought from men. From Monday to Friday, the newspaper only has the news, sports, Greater Toronto, business, entertainment and life. On Saturday they provide everything from weekdays with the additional of travel, insight, homes, wheels, Star Week and comics. This is the most popular day because it has varieties. Sunday is the least popular day for consumers to buy the newspaper. Why? Because they only provide news, sports, entertainment, New York Times and book reviews. You might also wonder, but who are reading these newspaper? Adults? Seniors? Teenagers? Well, worry no more. Toronto Star categorizes it in 5 sections: adults, mom, cultural affluent, and millennials. The Toronto Star provides 4 different types of resources where the community can view. 21% view from the internet, 37% view from the newspaper, 21% view from the phone and 8% view from emails. The 3 most popular way to get the newspaper from Toronto Star is getting 7 days a week for $4.11, Saturday only for $1.72 and on digital for only $2.99. One full-page ad can cost around $13,000 to $16,000. If you wanted to advertise on the Toronto Star newspaper, you must understand their concept. Here I will show 8 most common advertisement that is used at Toronto Star. Ads vary on different things that you advertise. Most of them cost $6.5 per line. 3 lines minimum. The cost of your advertising will increase with the more words you use and days. The advantages for advertising in a newspaper is that it can reach the audience, you can use the newspaper on the go, and people actually look forward in seeing the ads. The disadvantages of ads in Toronto Star is that newspapers are being replaced by technology. You can't keep track of who looked at your ads and app. Newspaper can be read and done.